Ever edited a video in Camtasia only to find the final version has all the sound coming from one side? You are not alone. This can be a common issue, but don't worry, there's a quick fix. In this guide, we will walk you through how to resolve one-sided audio after rendering in Camtasia editor and get your audio sounding balanced again. First of all, you need to import your audio or video, whatever you are facing with. You need to import it and then just select your audio, separate audio from video, and then select your audio, and on the top right side you will see here the audio panel. First select audio and then you will see this audio panel. Okay, then simply you need to check this option, mix to mono. So now whenever you try to hear this sound, you will hear the left and right audio in both headphones. So there you have it, a simple solutions to one-sided audio in Camtasia. Got any other Camtasia editing questions? Leave a comment below and let's chat.